Hey everyone! So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 2 things with just your phone, no laptop or computer required. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. So the very first thing I'm gonna teach you how to get is my eternal gratitude by taking a moment to just tap that like button on your phone for this video, because seriously, every time you do it, it genuinely supports me. So thank you so much for those of you that take a moment to do so. Alright, so that's the first thing I'm gonna teach you out of the way. The second thing I'm gonna teach you is how you can earn money online with just a smartphone, no laptop or computer required. Yep, because you see, while I have covered a lot of different money-making methods on this channel, I've understandably been receiving a lot of comments lately from people that don't have access to a computer or laptop, and they just want to know which of these methods can be done with a smartphone. And so what I've done is I've gone through all the ones that I've compiled on this channel and found my 10 favorite methods that you can do with just a phone, which is cool because it also means that you're able to do these methods on the go, like when you're sitting on a train or on a bus or on a plane, or even if you're one of those people that like to do something while watching Netflix and instead of playing silly phone games, why not earn some extra cash? Although, as you'll see, playing silly phone games can be a cool way to earn some extra money on the side, on the condition that you do it right. And so that this video doesn't get stupidly long, instead of doing a big tutorial for each of the methods, I'm instead gonna focus on showing you how the methods work and what apps you need to be able to do them. My goal for this video is to help you identify which mobile-friendly way to make money online suits you the best, so that after watching this video, you can then go and search for other videos on YouTube that have tutorials specific to the methods that you like the best. And as you'll see, I've really tried to choose a big range of methods to suit all sorts of people with different goals. So for some of the methods, they're perfect for people looking to complete small mini tasks on their phone in exchange for extra side cash. Whereas for other methods on this list, they can earn you more serious money, as in hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. But those methods will require more work and more creativity, and so hopefully, there should be something for everyone on this list, regardless of your goals. And I've also made sure to not just choose methods that work in the USA. Nope. As you'll also see, many of these methods work in over 200 plus countries worldwide as well. So then, on to the first one on the list. Drumroll, please. The first method that you can use to earn money online with just a phone, no computer required, is being a user tester. Yes, you can be paid to test apps and websites all from your phone thanks to this app here, Userlytics. Userlytics works with big companies like Google and Microsoft that need to test their websites and apps to see if they're ready to use. And so through Userlytics, they're able to hire normal people like you and me to do these tests for them, and they pay $5 up to $90 per test. So for example, I did a test with Userlytics. They asked me to locate the opening hours for a museum by finding them on their website, and I was supposed to also provide feedback on whether I found the information easy to locate or not and describe how many steps it took for me to find what I was looking for. So if I've been asked to test this museum website, I'd have said that it took me 5 steps to find it and that I wasn't immediately sure how to navigate the FAQ page, so it was honestly a little confusing. That way, the website developers could streamline the process to reaching the FAQ page in the future. Doing the test was actually kind of interesting, and lots of people agreed and said that they've had fun doing the tests. As the reviewers on both the Apple and Google App Stores noted, you could only complete tasks that you're eligible for. But if you check in each day and do eligible tasks when you can, it's a fun way to earn extra cash from your phone. And if you enjoy doing simple tasks like that in exchange for extra cash, you might also enjoy being a microtasker. So this is one microtasker app, Toloka. Just like Userlytics, this app works with other companies that need users like you and me to complete small microtasks for them, such as these. So, for example, you might be tasked with gathering data like locating store opening hours of different organizations and updating them in the app and earn $2.50 for it. Toloka is more than happy to pay you to collect this data on these organizations because they are then able to sell that data onto those organizations as competitors, so it's a win-win for everybody involved. Now, obviously, this is not gonna make you rich overnight, so I'd more recommend this for people who don't mind checking in each day and choosing the fast, easy tasks that they can do while people do something else like commuting to work or to school. And what's also nice is Toloka works in tons of countries worldwide, including countries in Africa, which is honestly pretty rare. I know I have a lot of viewers who live in countries where it's difficult to find opportunities, and so I wanted to make sure that I definitely included this method on the list, especially for those people. And if you're interested in methods that work in many countries worldwide, you'll be very interested in the next one on my list. And what's really cool about this money-making method is that subscribers to this channel have been using it to earn hundreds of dollars each month. Woohoo! Congratulations, everybody! So obviously, I'm talking about the Redbubble print-on-demand method. If you know the right app to use, you can do this using just your phone. So this here is Redbubble. Redbubble is a big, quirky merchandise marketplace that gets tens of millions of visits from customers each month and sells over 400 million worth of merch each year. So the way that Redbubble works is simple. You see all these funny t-shirts that you can buy from the website here? Well, these t-shirt designs were not created by Redbubble. Instead, they were created by users like you and me. And whenever someone buys one of them, the person that uploaded the t-shirt design gets paid. And so what happens is, each time someone comes and buys this t-shirt, Redbubble collects the money the customer paid and goes, "Yep, let's make that t-shirt." They then print the design the Redbubble user uploaded onto a t-shirt, and the t-shirt printing factory packages the t-shirt up and then ships it out to the customer. They then remove the production fees and pay out the rest of the profit to you as a commission. And they pay out to either a bank account or a PayPal account, which is available in 200 plus countries worldwide. Because it's such a flexible way to earn money online, lots of my subscribers have tried this and had success. Congratulations, guys, on taking action and giving it a go! It's awesome to see your results. In the industry, we call Redbubble a print-on-demand company because that's literally what they are doing. They are printing merchandise on demand as customers order it. And something else that's really cool is that you don't have to be an artist to make money on Redbubble with print-on-demand. Now, I mean, don't get me wrong. If you're an artist, then by all means, that is fantastic, and yes, you should upload your art on here and sell it onto merch. But even if you aren't an artist, it is okay. You can still do this too. So, for example, I've gone and filtered the results to show the top-selling t-shirts designs on Redbubble right now, and as you can see, while some of them do indeed feature very cool artwork, not all of them do. In fact, some of the top-selling t-shirts on Redbubble are winning combinations of trendy fonts with funny slogans and jokes. And you know what? Making these t-shirt slogan designs and then uploading them to Redbubble is super easy to do with just your phone. And to prove that to you, I'm gonna take this top-selling t-shirt onto Redbubble here, which features a trendy typewriter font and a funny joke, and show you how to create designs like this using my favorite mobile-friendly graphic design app, Canva. As my longtime subscribers will know, Canva is one of my favorite apps that I personally use to design t-shirts that I sell online, also with print-on-demand. I usually show my tutorial videos on this channel how to use Canva on a computer, but that doesn't mean that you have to just use it on a computer. The mobile app is fully featured, and it has pretty much the same features on it that the computer version has, so you can use it to design t-shirts with your phone. Canva has a free version and a pro version, which is a paid version. The pro version definitely has extra features like the ability to save a design with a transparent background, so I highly recommend the pro version. Luckily though, Canva has also a free 30-day trial for their pro version. And so if your startup budget is low and you want to keep costs as low as possible, you can take advantage of the trial and hustle hard and use those 30 days to create as many t-shirt designs as possible for free. I'll have a link how to get a free Canva Pro trial in the video description below. But yes, once you've gone ahead and made a slogan design and saved it onto your phone, you then just upload it to Redbubble's website. Redbubble does have a mobile app, but unfortunately, you can't currently upload designs to sell onto it, so you will need to use their website. Not all of the pages on the website are well optimized for mobile, but just because it's not well optimized doesn't mean you can't use it on your phone. Just be aware that sometimes the text will be small is all. and creating a Redbubble account is free. As long as you live in a country where you can register for PayPal, you're currently allowed to create an account on Redbubble, which means that people from over 200 plus countries worldwide can sell here, which is super cool. So once you've created your free account and uploaded the slogan that you've created with Canva, you then just give your slogan a title, tag it with relevant keywords, give it a short description, and pick which of Redbubble's products that they sell that you think your slogan will look on best. You can turn the products you like on, and you can turn the products that you don't like on off, and you can edit each product and move your slogan around and get it looking the way that you like it. And once you've done that, you then just save your product, and within minutes, it will be live on Redbubble, and the millions of customers Redbubble has can come, find your t-shirt, and buy it. And so just like that, I've gone ahead and created my own version of this top-selling t-shirts using just my phone. And so, as you can see, if you'd been the one that came up with the slogan idea, you could have created that with just your phone and uploaded it to Redbubble and started making money online with print on demand. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Returning to the video, let's delve into the next income-generating method that you can accomplish solely using your mobile device. This method involves becoming a mystery shopper. In case you're not familiar with mystery shopping, it entails visiting various stores and gathering pertinent data about them. For instance, while doing your routine grocery shopping, you may take note of the prices of various items in the store. Additionally, you could participate in a survey, assessing your opinion of the store's in-store promotions, or snap photos of window displays, which can offer insights to the store's competitors. Many of my friends at college used mystery shopping to supplement their income, and they found it to be an enjoyable side gig. Numerous apps are available for this purpose in various countries. One such app, Field Agent, is particularly useful if you reside in the United States. Field Agent typically compensates users with payments ranging from $3 to $20 per task. Many people are leveraging Field Agent to boost their monthly earnings, making it a viable option for additional income. Speaking of mystery-related activities, if you share my enthusiasm for true crime and enjoy solving mysteries, you might find the next method of making money quite intriguing: becoming an e-juror. If you haven't come across e-jury gigs before, they involve lawyers hiring individuals to review the case materials and evidence they have prepared before it goes to trial. This review may include rendering opinions on the guilt or innocence of the defendant. This feedback allows lawyers to gauge their chances of winning the case and, if necessary, make adjustments to strengthen their arguments. What makes this method even more appealing is that you can perform it with just a phone. While there may not be specific apps for e-jury work, you can register on the mobile-friendly website eJuror. If selected for a case, you'll be tasked with reviewing a case's details and answering questions. The cases are presented in a mobile-friendly format, allowing you to complete surveys and respond to questions on your phone. Payment typically ranges from $5 to $10 per case, making it an ideal task for your commute or any downtime during your day. However, it's important to note that this opportunity is currently available only in the USA. For those outside the USA, or anyone seeking additional money-making options, consider the possibility of playing mobile games. Remember when I mentioned that you can get paid for playing games if you do it right? Well, it's true. By downloading apps like this one I'm showcasing right here, you can take advantage of new mobile game developers' desire to boost their rankings in app stores. They are willing to pay you to download and play their games. You'll receive compensation in the form of in-app points, which can be exchanged for prizes, including cash through PayPal. Based on my research, many people who enjoy mobile games have been using this method to earn extra income while trying out various games from around the world. While this approach may not make you rich, those who already find enjoyment in playing these games are the happiest with the arrangement, as they get paid to do what they love. Now, if you're seeking an income-generating opportunity available in multiple countries, consider barcode scanning. Different countries have their own grocery scanning apps, so be sure to explore the options in your region. One such app, Ibarra, is popular in the United States and serves as an example of how this process works. On average, Ibotta users in the United States make around $150 annually by scanning their physical receipts from grocery store purchases into the app. Ibotta compiles this pricing data and sells it to the store's competitors. You'll receive compensation in the form of in-app currency, which can be converted into real money via PayPal. Another method to supplement your income using your phone is by completing surveys. There are several legitimate survey apps that will pay you to answer straightforward questions such as your monthly grocery spending. Companies rely on these apps to gather valuable market research data. One well-liked survey app is PollPay, where many users have successfully cashed out while answering simple questions during their free time. A common complaint is that there is usually a limited number of surveys available per day. To maximize your earnings, consider registering for multiple reputable survey apps like CitizenMe, Swagbox, and Add a Poll. By doing so, you can complete surveys on various apps during your leisure time or while watching Netflix, enhancing your earnings potential. If you're wondering how to invest the extra money you've earned from these apps, consider purchasing clothing from thrift stores. Poshmark is the app that can facilitate this endeavor. It allows you to list clothing items for sale, and when a customer makes a purchase, Poshmark provides you with a prepaid shipping label to send the item to the customer. They also manage payment processing, deducting their fees, and paying you the remaining profit as a commission. Many people are successfully running a side hustle, earning money through Poshmark. If you have a penchant for buying and selling clothing, this platform provides a great opportunity to earn money through your phone. However, if clothing isn't your area of interest and you're searching for another method to generate hundreds to thousands of dollars weekly using only your phone, consider reposting pictures and videos on Instagram. Since Instagram is primarily a mobile app, this method is perfect for those without access to a computer. You can take inspiration from Instagram accounts like the one showcased here, which has gained a substantial following by reposting engaging content related to a specific niche such as animals or dogs. Once you've built up an account like this, you can monetize it. This is made possible through platforms like Shoutcard. You can list your niche Instagram account, which you've grown from scratch by reposting appealing content, and offer shoutouts to brands. For example, this Instagram account offers a 24-hour shoutout on their page for $30. They also sell Instagram story posts, which include links for $25. By consistently offering these services, this account can generate significant weekly income. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.